This is gonna be fun. And not done yet on my ballad.
It's a me. In the
Hi,
description.
hi, Duel.
Oh, hello.
In the description.
Oh, it to me.
It's a me.
He's not
Singing.
No, that's his Lita.
Oh, well,
Ready to hear a song you never heard before?
I am if Duel's ready.
I'm ready. If we're ready, we'll begin in 3, 2, 1, go.
Hi, this
Hi.
is
Hi.
Vicky.
It's a
I'm
me.
gonna be singing voices, but
Voice.
this is
Turn
gonna
off
be
your
an
fucking
interesting
TV.
song, so I hope you enjoy.
What is that song?
Somebody is in pain in that room.
Somebody's being tortured.
We're about to be.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
Somebody, don't fuck this video. There's somebody who needs help in the back of that room.
I'm genuinely concerned.
Like, she's just trying to drown it out by singing. I'm trying to block out the song right now and listen.
Also, does she have teeth?
They're in there somewhere. There they are.
Oh.
Duel found teeth. Do 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 do.
That's the worst Legend of Zelda game I've ever heard of. Duel being the protagonist.
I hear men crying, okay? Can we get some help? She has blood?
I would feel tensions rising too if someone was being tortured in my bedroom.
Blood and tension and voices. This girl's fucked up in the head.
She's probably the one doing it. It's like, now for the real torture. And then she starts the video. Hi guys.
Not another Randy Orton song. No. No, I won't. I won't talk.
That's what she's pleading to the person she's torturing.
You can call the police, they can talk to you.
Look, she's torturing that bird in the back.
Is that a bird? It looks like a dinosaur.
Some kind of flag.
It used to be human until she got a hold of it.
It's either a bird or a dinosaur.
It's both. And Headless Ted DiBiase is riding it.
Yeah, I see it now.
Everybody's got a cross. Like, nobody cares about you, little girl. We're trying to save someone here.
Whoa.
Ah.
They tell me things that I will do. They show me things I'll do.
Don't do anything to me.
Okay. No.
That's not how you Orton pose.
It was kind of an Orton pose.
No, that was her like hitting
Oh.
Nobody wants to see that.
What is...
They scratch my eye. They look around. They
torture me.
Scare me.
Torture me, torture me, torture me.
That poor dinosaur bird.
She doesn't see heroes dying. She's murdering them.
And then turning away.
They twerk to me?
They twerk to me.
They twerk to... Oh, God. That's why she's hurting them. Stop twerking.
Ted DiBiase is twerking on that bird.
I would pay to see that.
The Million Twerk Man.
Everybody's got to twerk.
Oh, God.
I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much.
We are here to help you! No, don't stop the video!
No.
We're here to help them!
We can give you help.
Ah!
No, they're dead!
Well, I think it was too late.
We tried. They had a hope spot at the end. They said we were here to help them.
There was nothing we could do. It was too late.
God, just imagine the lives lost because of that sadistic little girl. I don't know what to do.
Not in my...
We can't even finish the video. It's so sad.
Not in my torture.
Not a my $1 million man twerking on top of a dinosaur.
Just
Oh,
Bird.
oh.